Hello cool dudes, I am at Tower Hill, and yes, that is the Tower of London, but I'm not going there. I'm going on another walk from this bloke's walking book, which you might not be able to see. From Tower Hill to Wapping, and then another one from Wapping to Canary Wharf, if I can make both of them. It's around 11 o'clock. Should be a lot of historical facts in this walk, and hopefully no mud. Good luck everyone. Of course, the Tower of London is famous for being the place where every other famous person from history you've heard of has probably been killed. This lot, killed. Absolute death hole. And when I came to visit this place back in the early 2000s, I went to pay at the booth, and the lady asked me if I had any disabilities. I was so shocked that I replied, oh yeah, I've got a wooden leg, partly sarcastically, and she let me in for half price. But my friend who was with me got in for free as my carer. 100% true story. And these docks were basically constructed in 1828, and before that it was a home of St Catherine's Hospice, and had 11,000 slum residents in the area, all of whom were evicted and not given any money as compensation so they could build the docks. Here are some nice sculptures, viewers. I would call these poorly folded napkins. What would you name them? Answers below, please. Yes, cool dude. I've just come down the Alderman's steps or stairs or whatever. I would never have found these, and they go straight down to the Thames, like a secret passage. Pretty cool. Thank you, book. And these are the memorial gardens, because the place got absolutely destroyed during the Blitz between 1940 and 1941. I looked in the estate agents earlier. How much do you think a 3-bedroom flat in this place here, private road, view of the Thames, costs? You've got 3 seconds to work it out. 3, 2, 1. £3.5 million. This used to be called the Red Cow. It's where they kept criminals bound for Australia in the cellars before they were sent off. I've come down another set of stairs called dudes. These are the Wapping Old Stairs, and they were notorious stairs for smugglers, adventurers, pirates, all that business apparently. And down here is where they executed pirates and other criminals. And one of them was William Kidd, who did work for the Admiralty, but then he turned into some sort of arsehole and started attacking ships. And that's where they killed him. More death. Everywhere in London is death. I don't know what it is about this walk, but 99% of the people I've seen have been jogging. It's just like I've entered a world of joggers. Everywhere. The book says this was once one of the busiest places in London, bustling with millions of people, and now it's just home to endless amounts of joggers. I'm here in the gardens of St George's in the East, designed by Hawksmoor, but that road I just showed you is Ratcliff Highway, the scene of one of the most infamous murders in London that I'd never even heard of, and it was overshadowed by Jack the Ripper. But in 1811 there were 2 attacks on different families, and 7 people were brutally murdered, like properly got their head smashed in, and there was no motive. And they reckon it was a sailor who they caught but committed suicide before they could try the case. If you look up the Ratcliff murders, it is pretty horrific stuff, if you like that sort of thing. That bit was a massive detour off the Thames Path to look at that murder site, and also to go to the tobacco docks to see a statue to commemorate a boy and a tiger when a tiger got loose, and a man tried to save the boy from the tiger with an iron bar, but ended up killing the boy and not the tiger. Maybe the boy was wearing an orange striped jacket, who knows. But you can't get access to that statue, which looks a bit like this if I can find something. So I'm going back to the Thames Path. Pretty disappointing. More joggers. That was the first half of the walk. 3 miles, supposed to be 2.5. Took me 2 hours, now 1 o'clock. Shall I do the next 5 and a bit miles? Yes. Prospect of Whitby, where Turner and Dickens and Pepys used to drink. Every single pub in London claims that Dickens used to drink there. I don't know how he wrote any books, he was just in pubs constantly. The world's oldest riverside inn, around 1520. I wonder if they had the same telephone number back then. And there is the Hangman's Gibbet, which was where many pirates met their fate. Unlucky, mate. It must be International Joggers Day or something. St Paul's Church, my friends, where Captain Cook was baptised. More facts. So far, this walk has been mainly the Thames Path with the odd diversion, most of which have been pretty disappointing. Hopefully, though, the best one's coming up soon. And here, my friends, in the graveyard is the mystery I was talking about. A strange pyramid with the wisdom of Solomon engraved in English and in Hebrew. No one knows why it's here or what it's for. But maybe you do. What is the strange pyramid here for? What does it mean? Answers below. Thank you. Here's a pub called The Grapes. Guess who used to drink there, viewers? Yes, you're right, Charles Dickens. And apparently when he was a young boy, his uncle made him stand on the table and sing songs to people. And it was the inspiration for the pub in Our Mutual Friend. More facts, facts galore. Well, cool dudes, after 3 hours and 50 minutes, 6.22 miles, I've arrived roughly around Canary Wharf. And there are options in the book to continue it, but you can just come off the Thames Path and walk towards the tube here, which is what I'm doing, so I can miss the horrific rush hour. Thanks for watching. It was an enjoyable walk. Just do the Thames Path, I would say. The north side of the Thames Path along this bit from Tower Hill is a bit nicer than the south side. Don't forget to join the club, but more importantly, stay cool. Alright, see you later, bye.